Hey guys, this is RJ Nicola with Generation 3 PC and laptop repair here in Cincinnati. This video is mostly for the people on my mailing list who are interested in exchanging their own RAM out and upgrading it, or just replacing bad RAM yourself. It's very simple. This is a laptop that I'm using as an example. The sticks are a little bit smaller, but what I'm about to explain is correct across the board. If you have a desktop, typically there's clips on either side. They go up and down. These ones lay side to side. So the biggest thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you discharge any static electricity, grab some metal around you. Just don't, rub your hands together, have a wool coat on, and just trying to make static. Just be safe with it. You can use your fingers typically to push the clamps. If you notice here and here, there's just clamps holding them down. You can use your fingers, pop them up. Okay, now make sure they're both released and you just pull. Okay, come straight out. So what I'm going to show you guys is virtually all RAM will have something like this on it. Okay, now I'm going to explain what these numbers are. The 2 gigabytes is the amount of memory that it has on its cache, how much it can actually hold. DDR2 is the dynamic amount that it is. It's a level 2. I think there's up to 5 now that they use. Most of these aren't as important. This is the speed, the cache level. It's not as important as the DDR2 and the 2 gigabytes for your average user. Now, if you're a gamer, you already know that you want to have top speed, top quality, highest, fastest you can get. For this laptop, you're going to need to get a PC2 5300S. It may be S or a U or nothing. You kind of want to stick with what it actually says just to make your life a little easier. And then once you order it, get it, buy it, all you got to do is make sure you see that little clip right there. All RAM is going to have this. They're going to have a little indentation somewhere. Do not force it down. If it does not slide in, it will not work. You could break your computer, break your motherboard, and I'll show you here. This is the same RAM, same stick. This one's flipped over. This is how it looks in there. You see that right there? That's just where this little clip slides in. So you just take the RAM, line it back up, push it down securely, and then make sure it's clamped. What's that, 3 minutes and you just replaced your own RAM. Like I said, be careful with the static electricity. Just make sure that you get the right size. Make sure you're not getting RAM that needs to be activated in any way. Usually for servers they have that, or it's really not super complicated. I know some people are worried about the static, worried about damaging anything, but want to save some money. This is the quickest way to switch out your RAM. I may post another video later, do it on a desktop, but this is quick right now. So I do appreciate it. Check me out. It's fixmypcg3.com. I'm out of Cincinnati, Ohio. You can look me up on Facebook, Generation 3 PC and laptop repair. Looking forward to helping you guys out. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns. You can even contact us through the website directly. Thanks.